Chicago, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, west-central DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, eastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, until 10 o'clock p.m. At 9:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Amboy, or 12 miles north of Mendota, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Rochelle, Hillcrest, Malta, Creston, Compton, Stewart, and West Brooklyn, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 87 and 103. Interstate 88 between mile markers 68 and 85. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is no